So, I get it. You want me to reality shift into Draco Malfoy. And I too want me to reality shift into Draco Malfoy. Like, I don't really want to do it, but I want to do it for science, you know. And so I want this for us. I want me reality shifting into Draco Malfoy for both of us. But for this to happen, some things are going to have to change. And one of the things that's going to have to change is that my water heater, the hot water heater in my house is going to have to start working again. And that means that you're going to either have to contribute to the GoFundMe that is supposed to help that and the legal fund that is about remedying the problems that caused the water heater to go out, or at least spread around the GoFundMe, because until I can take a shower in this house, I will not be able to reality shift into Draco Malfoy. As I have stated earlier, I will explain again. Draco Malfoy is a character who goes through a lot of awful things and probably will go through awful things depending on, what continuity you hit. And, for instance, he's around Voldemort a lot. That alone is enough for me to want a shower afterward. If he's not around Voldemort, he's around the Malfoys. He's around racists. He's basically a magic Nazi. He's living around other magic Nazis. He's in a prime position to be interrogated by Dementors by either side. Often bad things happen to him because of Harry Potter. So, he lives in a hostile world, and he is a hostile person. So I want to be able to take a shower afterward. Also, there's just a lot going on when it comes to living in this house and the lawsuit that we have to be going through to be able to basically resolve things. So you can check the GoFundMe for more details on that. I have not been giving a whole bunch of details on the lawsuit side of things because I would like to talk to a lawyer before giving a whole bunch of details online about what's going on. So the thing is, I don't know how much it's going to take. So I put $6,000 as the goal on the GoFundMe. For all I know, it's going to take 600. But whatever, for the lawsuit stuff, for whatever that is left over is going to go towards the hot water heater, replacing stuff we lost whenever everything flooded, and just generally getting the house back in order. So if there's anything left over, I'll probably buy cool books to read on the channel. So anyway, I want to reality shift into Draco Malfoy, but I need help. I need your help. Please help me do this for you. Certainly, I'm not doing it for me because this is only for science that I want this. Actually, I kind of wonder, is there a part of me that really wants to Draco shift? Let's just call it Draco shifting. And I'm very curious what will happen. There's a part of me that's very curious. So I also want this, but more than that, I really want what's going on in my house to just chill. I'd like a working hot water heater. I'd like the things fixed in this house that need to be fixed. I'd like to no longer be sued by a contractor who caused so many problems in here for me to be in this situation. And most of all, I'd like to be doing better videos for everyone. I've not really been talking about this whole lot, but basically the reason why I do the videos that I do them in the way that I do them with the setup that I do, is because I'm pretty limited, because I don't have a lot of space here, because everything is a big mess in my house because of the contractor stuff. And so I don't have room to put up a green screen backdrop. I don't have room to do a big tarot spread and show you a whole bunch of different tarot decks and give you a bunch of sample readings. I don't really have a whole lot of space to do much of anything. So the stuff that I do on video is me getting very creative and working with what it is that I can. So I really want to do more videos involving the reality shifting. It does involve a lot of self-care, and that's really hard to come by in a house that just, again, no hot water. And we also don't have, central heating. The electricity's a little dicey, so I don't want to really run the space heaters / wallboard heaters too much, so it's like it's pretty freaking cold here. Um, so yeah, we were planning a whole different thing to be going on with our house this year, and then big disaster happened in the beginning of the year, and ever since then, it's just been us trying to get on top of that. And I I really want to be doing like really fun stuff for this channel and doing more videos and doing better content. One of the things I want to do is like edit more. I want to have the focus and the time to edit more, and just you know do more organized and more complex stuff. There's a lot of videos that I have kind of in progress that it's just really hard to work on with things being like they are here. So anyway, if you want more of the content, please help out if you can. If you can just share the this video around, if you can share around the link to the GoFundMe, if you know of any resources that it is that we could be um, getting, all of that would be extremely helpful. And thank you very much. Really appreciate everybody who's been watching the videos, who's been liking and commenting and subscribing. Really, really amazed at just the reception that this stuff has been getting, and that our work in this household has been getting. And just looking forward to making more content for you in the future. Later.